What if I told you that you could make up to $200 a day watching YouTube videos? Yes, you heard that right. For many of us, watching tons of videos on YouTube is our favorite pastime. And if you are like me, then you know that there's nothing better than making money while doing something you love. The best part is it's open to everybody, and all you need is a laptop or mobile phone, and enough time to watch a couple of short videos a day. By the end of this video, you will have all the information you need to earn as much PayPal money as you want, and I'll be sharing some major tips that will put you ahead of the game. So be sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any steps and lose out on making any PayPal money. With that said, let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is open your YouTube app and search for a couple of videos that are going to make us some money. For instance, if you love exercising or need something simple to start with, you could search for topics like how to do a push-up or how to get started with your fitness journey. When you search for topics like these, a lot of videos will pop up for your choosing, but you cannot select just any video. What you're looking for are videos with a lot of views because they will provide value to users, and seeing such a large number of views will make anyone want to stay and check what the video is about even if they clicked on it by accident. Select up to 5 videos you wish to share with others, and you can select the videos from one topic or select videos from different topics to add a bit of variety to it. With that said and done, copy the links to the videos by clicking on the share icon beneath the video. Place the copied links in a note app on your phone or laptop, and let's head to the next step. This is where the fun begins. What we're doing here is using a website that will shorten the links you've copied and make them essentially yours. So when people click on the shortened links, they go straight to the videos and you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Open your browser with either Firefox, Google Chrome, or any browser you regularly use and type ouo.io in the search box. This will take you to the website's homepage, and you can scroll through the homepage to see what the site offers. Based on the information on the site, you get paid whenever someone clicks on your shortened links and can be paid through Payoneer, Payeer, Bitcoin, or PayPal. It is the time to sign up and begin the process. If you scroll to the top of the page, you'll see a red icon at the top right corner of the page that says Sign Up Free. Tap on it and you'll immediately be taken to the sign up page, and all you need to do is fill in your username, email address, and password. How easy was the sign up process? Let us know in the comments below. Log into your new account and let's get down to the money-making business. Create your new link by clicking on the paper plane icon at the top left corner of your screen and paste the links from the YouTube videos you chose. Tap the paper plane icon again to generate your new link, and voila! A shortened link is made just for you. With your new links, you can start making money as soon as you want. The number of views you get and earnings will be reflected on your dashboard. And to make things more interesting to users, the platform also gives you the opportunity to refer your friends and get up to 20% of their earnings for life. Now, the part you've all been waiting for, the major tips that will take your earnings to the next level, and they are guaranteed to work if you do it right. Hey, hold on. Before you rush off into the sunset, do you know that the platform offers different payout rates? Here's how it works. For 1,000 views, you will make at least $1.50, but this varies depending on your location. You may want to keep that in mind after signing up. With everything out of the way, let's head to the next step. After creating your links, your goal should be to drive as much traffic as you can to your links, because how can you earn money if no one is clicking on your links? Luckily, there are a few effective ways for you to solve this problem. The first thing you can do to get more clicks is to go to a website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a website that shares videos, training plans, and content relating to health and exercise, and there are thousands of people that use the information on the site to meet their health goals. There are various sections on the site, but our major concern here is the thread section that allows you to post meaningful information for other users. This is our ticket to more clicks. Select any of the forums that best suits the videos you have on hand. Let's say that you created links for videos on push-ups or how to get started with your fitness journey. The best forums for your links would be the exercise or losing fat forum. You may have to create an account with the website before you can post on any of the forums, but doing that will only take a few minutes, so no worries there. With your new account, tap on Post New Thread and type in information related to the links you have and attach some of the links at the end of the thread, and you're good to go. Let's get down to the next tip that none of you saw coming. There is no one that hasn't used Quora at least once or heard about the platform. How could you not? It is one of the top question and answer platforms with over 300 million monthly users trooping in and out of the website. You have the audience you need right there, and what you have to do is find a way to capture their attention. Like any other website, it's important that you create an account with them and fill it with all the necessary information about yourself to generate some credibility. Next, search for a topic or topics that's related to the videos you want to post. This doesn't take very long, and you will immediately see a list of questions that were asked on the topic. Your focus should be on answering the most recent questions because there is a higher chance of other users seeing those questions and clicking on your links. Bonus point here, give answers that people can relate to and engage with because Quora is all about giving the best answers to different questions. Put in your links and you're good to go. Easy, right? The best part is, you don't have to worry about the link looking all plain in your answer because the site instantly changes it to readable words that readers will click on. If you want to take control of the situation and not leave it up to Quora to do the work, you can highlight a couple of words in your answer. Click on the link icon in your toolbar, enter your link, and click Add to finish it off. There is no way we'll give you all of this information without throwing another bonus tip in the mix. After all, the goal is for you to make as much PayPal money as you can, and to do that, you need all hands on deck. This next bonus tip involves using something you probably use every day to drive traffic to your links. Yes, you guessed it. We are talking about social media, especially Twitter and Facebook. Why Twitter and Facebook? Well, they are more straightforward with little work on your part, and there are millions of people using these platforms. On Facebook and Twitter, all you have to do is search for a hashtag or group that is related to the videos you want to post. For Facebook, joining a group is easy if it's a public one, but you may have to wait for approval if you want to get into a private group. No one is in charge of any hashtag on Twitter, so you're good to go once you find one related to your videos. Next, create content related to the group or hashtag and leave your link underneath. If you don't want to go through the trouble, you can easily leave a compelling comment under a post on either platform and drop your links along with it. All that's left is to sit back and make money on autopilot. Did you follow the steps in the video? Let us know in the comments below.